Now here we see that there is liquid here. So if there is liquid here, it means it is observed, always it is observed that the liquid either will be of this form or the liquid will be of this form. It means the meniscus of the liquid. So it means what is the angle of contact? It means if you make a tangent at this point, this angle of contact, or if you make a tangent at this point, this we have as the angle of contact. So it means the angle of contact is at the point of contact which the surface makes with the liquid. It means which the surface makes with the liquid, that we call it as the angle of contact. It means the angle of contact is the tangent at which the surface make at the point of contact. That will give you for the definition what is the angle of contact. Now, there are two cases of the angle of contact. There are two cases for the angle of contact. One we have it as the obtuse and one we have it as the acute. It means if the meniscus, here we have this, if you have this to be as a beaker, we have this to be as the meniscus. So if this is the meniscus of the liquid, so this we call it as acute. And if the meniscus is acute, it wets the glass. It means, for example, we have water. If water is being placed here, it wets the glass and it's observed the meniscus of the liquid is acute. And such cases we call it as a concave meniscus, and here the angle of contact theta is less than 90. And in such cases where we have that the meniscus forms in the upper level, if the meniscus forms in the upper level, for example, like mercury, it do not wet the glass, and this we call it as obtuse. And this will give you for the angle theta. So for the angle theta is greater than 90, and this we call it as a convex meniscus. So there are two types of the angle of contact, and it means this we have it as the tangent which makes at the point of contact with the surface liquid, that we call it as the angle of contact. So angle of contact are two cases, acute and obtuse. If it is acute, it wets the glass, for example like water. If it is obtuse, it do not wet the glass, for example like mercury. And here we have that the meniscus is concave where theta is less than 90. Here we have that the meniscus is convex where theta is greater than 90. So this we have for the angle of contact.